Hello, Mami? Pauwi na ako.
Huwag mong kalimutan si Clark, ha?
Sige, daanan ko siya. Pero dadaanan ko muna yung sasakyan.
Cool.
Love you.
Love you too.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Nagbabalik. As you can see, nandito na ako ngayon sa train. Sobrang pagod. Grabe, namasa yung kilikili ko. Doon sa citizenship test na masa ang kilikili, maskil. Tapos na yung citizenship test, finally. Yung result, syempre itatanong ko anong result ng test ko. I think, sorry, pero hindi ko muna masasabi yung result no citizenship test ko. I think masyado pang maaga para sabihin. So, sasabihin ko na lang siya sa ibang vlog. I think mas maganda yun. Masyado pa maaga para i-reveal kung ano yung result ng exam. So, ayun na. Tapos na yung test. Tinawagan ko agad si Dang. Sinabi ko sa kanya yung nangyari. Yun. Hi, I received a call from this number. Yeah, that's me. Oh, awesome. I'm on my way now. Yeah, see ya. Bye. So, ayun nga. Na-miss ko yung tawag ng mechanic. Tinawagan ko siya. Okay na daw yung sasakyan. Ready na for pick up. So, ayun. Pick upin na natin yung sasakyan natin. And, alright. See ya.
Hi, can I have black diamond milk tea?
Large or small?
Large.
$7.
Yep.
Do you want us $3 full?
I'm good, thank you.
Yun o, nagbabalik. Kakababa ko lang ng trend kanina. Umorder ako ng milk tea. Dito ako ngayon sa Liverpool Station. Iniintay ko yung Uber ko papuntang Mitsubishi. So, dito lang tayo sa kanto. Tambay-tambay lang muna. Hintay-hintay lang. Habang basahin kiligili. 3 minutes away pa yung Uber ko. Toyota Camry. Kulay light gray yata to or off-white. Parang gano'n. No? Yep. Yep. Yeah. I'm now on my way to Mitsubishi. Okay, see ya. Kakababa ko lang ng nung Uber. Dito na ako sa Mitsubishi para pick upin yung sasakyan namin. You know, nakikita ko na yung sasakyan namin dito sa malayo.
We'll pass everything there as well.
Okay.
Did rotate it out.
Yep.
Did the hot water plane, the on-car fuel injector plane, and then the engine air filter, as I said, that was list for the 45k service.
Yep.
So they've done that, and they've now stamped the book for both the 45 and the 60k. So that way it's sort of signified both of them are being completed.
Awesome. You know, dito na ako sa loob ng sasakyan. Grabe, mahal yung binayaran. Ang daming pinalitan kasi. So, ang dami niyang ginawa sa sasakyan. Like, replace engine oil and oil filter, replace brake fluid, inspected cooling system, inspected air filter, lubricated suspension, steering leakage, final inspection, road test. Ang dami, sobrang dami. Naka-breakdown yung mga ginawa dito sa sasakyan. Mahal ng binayaran. So, ilang pages to? 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Nakakalula, grabe. So, hindi ko nababasahin isa-isa yun. Sa bahay na lang. So, let's go. Pick upin na natin si Clark. Namimiss ko na rin si Clark, syempre. 5 p.m. na. Grabe, ang dami ko pinuntahan ngayong araw. 5 p.m. na. Buti hindi ako na-late sa mga destinations ko. So, see you guys in a bit! Hi Clark! Hi! That is this. That's good. Did you say bye-bye? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Wait for daddy. Where's daddy's kiss? Where's daddy's kiss? Oh my god, so dirty! So dirty! What happened? What happened? You miss daddy? Ha? Help yourself! Help yourself! Parang pagod na pagod siya. Dumi ng suot niya, grabe. You miss daddy? Yeah. Gutom na to sigurado. Are you hungry? Yeah? Hungry. Okay, let's go. So, ayun. Parang pagod na pagod si Clark. Grabe. Kasing pagod ko. So, pauwi na kami ng bahay. Meet na namin yung mami niya. Grabe. Are you hungry, anak? Are you hungry? Yeah? Ayaw magsalita. Pagod. So, uwi na kami ng bahay. Matatapos na yung araw halos. Lagpas 5 o'clock na ng hapon. So, yun. Yeah? Alright, let's go home! Hyper ka na naman ha, parang si mami mo. Alright, let's go! Finally, nakauwi na rin. So, let's go to mami. Let's go to mami. Let's go.
Our house! It's a mess!
What happened to our house?
Because...
Mami niya work from home.
Yes, tignan mo gulo-gulo. Diba? Tapos
Tambay-tambay
dito,
lang.
expectation versus reality. Alas ka dyan. Expectation versus reality. Ganito ang backdrop ko pag may Zoom meeting ako. Ganito. Ganyan.
Shit.
Pero, magulo. Kasi pinapatanggal ko na sa kanya yung bed. Ayaw niya patanggalin. Workroom niya talaga. Nilinisin ko na yan guys after this 5 minutes more.
Grabe ng case, grabe naman. Dami ko nilakad
Pagod na pagod. Wow, dami linakad. Pinabili lang tayo ng gumboots ni Clark.
Nilakad ko yun.
Ako, ang
Central
dami-dami
to
nilakad.
Broadway, nilakad ko yun.
Diba?
Papahinga muna kami. Papakainin namin si Clark. Oh. Tapos yun. Daming nagawa ngayong araw. Salamat naman. Well, anyway, if you guys wanted to see something or request something, just comment down below any ideas na tingin nyo gusto nyo mapanood sa amin. And
Kabo pa sabi mo yan tapos nagko-comment sila hindi mo ginagawa.
you know,
Oh, yung mga prank. Ay wag kasi guys yung prank may baby.
Pwede naman. Pwede naman. So,
Ayaw niya kasi magpa-prank. Nabibisit siya sa akin. Kaya guys, alam nyo na guys. Huwag nyo nang i-comment yung prank kasi ayaw niya. Nabibisit siya sa akin.
so yun. Paalam ka na.
Ano pa yan? Gusgusin pa ako. Pinabidyo mo.
Paalam ka na.
So guys, we'll see you guys
In our
on the
next
next
vlog. Bye!